Today I will be presenting my Java-based application called AutoSweep Car Rentals. So, AutoSweep Car Rentals is a console-based Java program designed to simulate the operation of a real car rental business. The system allows users to register, browse available vehicles, and make reservations, cancel bookings, and view reservation records. The program uses object-oriented programming principles where real-world entities such as cars and reservations are represented as Java classes. For example, the car class contains information about the car model, type, and availability, while the reservation class stores customer and booking details. Let's now move on to Subsystem A, which serves as the data provider. Subsystem A is responsible for collecting, validating, storing, and supplying data to the rest of the system. One of its main components is the user registration module. During registration, the system collects the username, contact number, address, and email. So, manera, make reservation, enter name, tapos enter mong age, then select kag ano nimo kining date kung sa ka magunsa. Then sa 5 nga na ra siya ang subsystem A. And then next is subsystem B, which functions as the consumer or display subsystem. Unlike sa subsystem A, subsystem B does not generate raw data. Instead, it retrieves and presents data in a user-friendly way. The first component is the menu interface, which display options such as viewing cars or making reservations. Para mara na siya sa makita ra na siya ang subsystem B, makita ra na siya diri sa unsa may reservation kini mo na siya confirm mo na akong mga unsa mga gipang reserve nga mga cars. When users choose an option, subsystem B requests the necessary data from subsystem A. Another component is the available car display, which filter the car inventory and shows only vehicles that are currently available. This information is derived directly from the data provider. Subsystem B also includes the reservation viewer, which displays reservation details such as customer name, car model, and booking dates. Additionally, the cancellation module consumes reservation data to remove bookings and update car availability. This separation between data creation and data consumption improves clarity, reduces errors, and supports system scalability. Data integration is critical because modern software systems depend on shared data. In AutoSwift, user data is reused during reservations, vehicle availability updates dynamically, and reservation records are accessed across multiple features. Without integration, this data would become duplicate, inconsistent, or outdated. By integrating data properly, the system ensures accuracy, efficiency, and reliability, which are essential qualities in professional software environments. The AutoSweep system itself demonstrates a working integration prototype using an ETL-like process. First, data is extracted from user input through the console. Next, the data is transformed through validation checks, formatting rules, and logic such as updating car availability. Finally, the data is loaded in the memory collections and written to a file for persistence. This simplified process mirrors how enterprise systems move data between different platforms. Despite functioning well, the system highlights several integration challenges. One major issue is data format mismatch. Dates are stored as a plain text, which can cause problems if another system expects standardized date formats. Another challenge is file based storage, which lacks schema enforcement and transaction safety. This makes integration with larger systems more complex. There is also tight coupling between reservation, logic, and car availability, which limits flexibility and scalability. These pain points are common in early stage systems and demonstrate the need for better integration strategies. In real world finance software, data integration is even more critical. Rental systems often integrate with billing platforms, accounting software, payroll system, and tax reporting tools. A small data mismatch such as incorrect dates or formats can lead to financial errors or audit issues. Just like AutoSwift finance system rely on consistent data flow, transformation rules, and reliable integration pipelines to operate successfully. To conclude, AutoSwift car rentals demonstrate how data integration works in practice. Subsystem A acts as the data provider, while Subsystem B consumes and displays that data. The system highlights the importance of integration, exposes common challenges, and reflects real-world enterprise and finance software needs. So, thank you for your time and attention.